He pushed my hand. He pushed my hand. That's so silly. He's playing hide and seek. Pop, look at my buttons. Yeah, Mike made that. How made it with me? How Mike made it for me? How Mike made it for me over there? Because Hatch flew way back to his home. Pinky's going over and playing. He's so cute. He's so cute.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. When Brady gets little like me and Chris when he gets cute like the lights in with Nanny, when he comes back to his home behind the cactus.
Yes.
But that door's locked.
Yes.
But what's that truck?
This one right here?
Yeah.
That's Mommy's RV.
Truck.
It's a camper.
It's a camper truck.
Yeah.
And it's dark. And it won't drive? Why you won't drive?
Well, we don't have any gas in it.
Don't have gas in it?
Yeah.
Ooh, Mom need to put gas in it.
Yeah. True enough, babe. True enough.
Oh, Daddy take a trip with me, and he will take me to a trip
Yeah.
with me. And Nanny and Mommy.
Yeah.
And Chris.
Right. And maybe Pop and Nana.
Maybe Papa and Nana.
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe. Daddy comes. When Daddy comes, take a trip in there. But that's Mama's truck. Yeah, when she was getting older enough. When she was getting little. Yeah, she was getting little. She was getting little like Brady. Cat. He grabbed me.
Yeah, well, you know, he loves you.
Yeah. We do love me. Wow. He's looking at the step of Mom's car.
Yeah.
So nice. So nice. And a different time put my feet down.
Yeah.
Like Brady.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like your own little seat right there.
Yeah. This is like mine, like in school.
Yeah.
This is like my chair like school.
Nice.
But the piece does fall out.
Well, you're in school right now, and I'm your teacher.
Yeah, because I went potty trained.
Well, it's just not that. I'm teaching you how to think.
How to think?
Yes, how to think with your thinking, with your brain. How to understand different things.
Yeah. What Brad's doing?
Bradley is just laying there, hanging out.
And playing with me?
Yep, playing with you.
I think he's happy about me.
Yes, he is.
Yeah. But I can ride on his wing with Nan. But Nan have to come in here.
Yeah.
Come here and sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll go out.
Well, no, she's working. Come here.
No.
No, let her work. Finny, if you go in there, I'm going in. I'm not going to hang out here.
Have to hang out.
Well, then stay with me. Don't be going inside. Don't bother Nana.
I'm not going to bother her. She's just relaxing.
She's working. She's not relaxing. She's working.
She's relaxing.
Well, she's relaxing while she's working, but she's working. Well, it's a nice day today.
Yes, it's a nice day. It's a really beautiful, nice day. It's a candle.
Yep, today is October 7th, by the way.
Yeah, but this is a candle.
Oh, yeah.
But the candle melted.
Yeah. Ah, don't put that in your mouth.
I won't.
Okay.
I'm just smell it.
Because that's the kind of candle I think that kills bugs, so you don't want to put that in your mouth.
I won't.
Smelling it's okay, yeah. You can smell it.
Yeah. A baby pickle fell out.
It's not a pickle. It's an olive.
Baby olive?
Yes.
Just open it with your finger.
No, I don't want to.
It's dirty.
Well, let me look at it.
Just look at it. Cool.
Huh?
What are these? What are these little things? Are
Those are hair clips.
hair clips?
Yeah, to put in your hair. They must be mommy's. She must have left them out here. Let's not lose them.
I want them to go like this. Hold them like that.
Very good.
Hold it like that.
Yeah, that's great. That's like a little cross.
Like a little cross.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're pretty smart. Yep.
I'm trying to put back in. I'm trying to put back in. Now it looks like a little cross again.
Yeah.
Daddy, look at this. It looks like a cross. Daddy, look at this. Wow, so windy in here.
It's beautiful out though.
Yeah, and it's so windy too.
Yeah, it's windy, but it's so nice.
Yeah, but it will win these things
Yeah.
for Mom. But
Yeah.
Mom won't see that.
Those are called hair clips.
Yeah, Mom won't see her. Mom, the wind will blow these hair clips away.